I was telling our chair that I was awake until 2 a.m. responding to the earthquake that happened last night, 10 past 10 p.m. Epicenter was at Bogo City. I'm told there are about 63 casualties already, and we've sent actually 4 teams. There was a gymnasium that collapsed with a current game. There was a basketball game between Bureau of Fire and our Office of Civil Defense, the same people that respond in times of. And then just before this, I'm also talking to the president. He called me about the health facilities in Masbate, where he is right now inspecting the typhoon that actually hit Umpong, that hit Masbate direct. So we're handling 2 to 3 different disaster sites as we speak. So we'll be utilizing our quick release funds in the Health Emergency Management Bureau and hope to be able to respond more. I'm putting on standby my medical teams in Tacloban also, our Philippine Emergency Medical Assistance Team, the one we sent to Myanmar, to actually look at the cases if there are more because of the collapsed buildings in the Bogo city in northern Cebu.